Today we're programming tire pressure sensors on a second-gen Toyota Highlander, and I'll be using my Xtool TPMS scanner for this job. And if you're interested in this tool, I'll drop a link down in the comments below. Alright, from the main menu, go to TPMS section. Then select Asian Vehicles, choose Toyota, and pick Highlander. Model years 2007 through 2021. Next, select the check function. The tool will ask if you want to clear the previous sensor data. Go ahead and select yes. Now we're ready to start scanning the new sensors. Starting at the front left tire, we'll go around the vehicle and trigger each sensor. Now let's move on to the front right tire. This vehicle has brand new TPMS sensors installed in all wheels, and the tires are set to the proper pressure values. It can take up to a minute to get a response. These sensors only transmit every 30 to 60 seconds to conserve battery life. Keep in mind, sometimes full-size spare tires are also equipped with TPMS sensors. For some reason, I couldn't get a signal from the spare while it was mounted under the car. Once I lowered it down to the ground, the sensor triggered right away. Now that we've gathered all the sensor data, we're ready to move on to programming. Connect the tool to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Now go back to the menu and select Relearn function. Then press OK. The tool will begin communicating with the vehicle's tire pressure control module. Once all of the sensors are registered, you'll see a Relearn success confirmation message. If the low tire pressure warning light doesn't go away right away, take the car for a short drive and it should clear once the system updates. Now that all sensors are showing correct tire pressures and the warning light is off, we're all set. The Xtool did a great job, and it's a solid programmer at nearly half the price of other brands. Right now, it's selling for around $130, and it's a great tool to have in your arsenal. Most shops charge around $40 for this service, so having your own tool can pay for itself pretty quickly. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below.